Hi, in this video, we will talk about viewport in Playwright. So what do you mean by viewport? So the viewport is the user's visible area of a web page. So in a particular web page, whatever you see, that is called viewport. So if you go to any website, so if you go to this website, so whatever you see here, so some logos, Appium, Selenium, Katalon, interpretation, something, and recent blog post, and you see these things are only half visible. So this area, whatever you see, that is called viewport. So if you scroll something like this, so now this information is not in viewport area. Okay. So now the viewport is only recent blocks, and the two blocks and the remaining two blocks are only half visible. So whatever you see on this web page is called viewport. Okay. So what we need to understand about this. So first we'll write a sample program and we'll try to understand what exactly this is. So I'll create a page instance. Page is equals to playwright dot create dot chromium dot launch new launch options dot set headless false, and then so let me write here new page. Okay, so then and I'll go to one of the page dot navigate. Let me go to Google. Simply just an example. This is once I go there, page dot fill, and the locator which I'll use is let me. So this is the locator, and this is I'm just typing the playwright in the search box, and I'll hit page dot keyboard dot press enter. Okay, and after that I'll say thread dot sleep for 10 seconds at least, and then page dot close. So now you observe, not only now, we have seen so many videos previous to this, and if you observe what is the what do you say, like the browser size, you just observe the behavior of the browser which is opening. So it will be not full screen. Okay, it's not full screen. Just observe. You see that we are seeing only this much area. Okay, so if you expand also, you see it will be only this area. If you expand also, nothing will change. Only so if you execute again and observe the behavior, so then it will be not full screen. If you maximize also using this option, and the area which is, you see this area and the down area is only white, only this is the actual page, right? So I want to change the dimensions of that, browser height and width. I want a bit more, so that can be possible with the viewport. Okay, so what I'll do here, dot new context. This is for new context, and then new context of new context options dot set viewport size, and you see that into width and height. So I'll give some width and height, 1600 and 1024, something, whatever you want. Okay, now you observe the behavior of this, the open browser. Now it will be bit more like, size will be more now. The height and width of the browser which will open now will be, height and width will be increased. You see that? If you increase, you see that? If you manually increase, that is white space. But with the help of context options, you can increase this. Okay, so that is the advantage of viewport. That is for new context options. Set viewport size, and then you can give the whatever you want. Okay, width and height. So this is how you can increase your browser height and width using the viewport. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.